These videos are rapidly going viral on social media, capturing the attention of viewers everywhere. With eye-catching visuals and entertaining content, they instantly hook people and keep them engaged. Audiences are not only enjoying the videos, but also sharing them widely, boosting their reach and popularity. Moreover, these viral videos offer a powerful way to grow an e-commerce or online business. They help increase brand visibility, drive traffic to online stores, and build trust with potential customers. By tapping into the trend of short, engaging content, businesses can connect with their audience more effectively and convert views into sales. These videos may look super professional and competitive, but trust me, it's way easier than you think. With just one simple prompt, you can create stunning content in no time. Let me show you how easy it is. Copy the video prompt from the description box. You'll find 2 different prompts that I've already shown in the video. Just choose the one that fits your content best. This is the first prompt. You can customize the prompt based on your specific needs or creative ideas. For even better results, you can use ChatGPT to help you refine and improve the prompt for more detailed and high-quality output. Remember, the better the prompt, the better the results. You can use various AI video generators like Kling AI, Halius AI, Skyreels AI, Pixverse AI, or others. However, in my experience, Veo 3 delivers the best results in terms of video quality, detail, and realism. Feel free to experiment, but if you want the smoothest and most impressive output, Veo 3 is highly recommended. Go to Gemini AI. We'll be using Veo 3 through Gemini AI to generate the video. Here, you'll find the option to use Veo 3 for generating your video. Once you've copied your video prompt, paste it into the prompt box inside Gemini AI under the Veo 3 option. Then, simply click Generate, and within a few seconds, your video will be ready to view and download. Let's try it with another prompt. Select Veo 3. Then, paste your video prompt into the prompt box. When everything's set, click to generate. Wait just a few seconds and your video will come to life. This is exactly how you can create viral, eye-catching content in no time.